Half-oval shower rod installation instruction. Installation tools. Drill, hammer, hacksaw, tape measure, level, pencil, Phillips screwdriver, awl wrench. Measure the rod and space to verify that the rod sections are the proper length for your installation. If not, trim with a hacksaw. Slide 1-inch loop and curtain rings onto the rod. Insert the ends of rod into the wall flanges. Tighten the set screws with Allen wrench. Hold the rod up at the desired mounting height. Use a level to make sure that your pencil marks are lined up properly on the wall. Drill pilot holes. Gently tap the anchors into the pilot holes with a hammer. Tighten long screws. Hold the ceiling support in place and mark the placement of mounting holes. Drill pilot holes. Gently tap the anchors into the pilot holes with a hammer. Tighten long screws. Mark the distance between the support flange to the rod. Loose the support from the support flange. Cut the ceiling support to proper length with a hacksaw. Thread the support to the support flange. Level the rod. Tighten the set screws with Allen wrench. Hang up the curtain. Installation complete. Installation complete. Your half-oval shower curtain rod is ready to shine. Time to enjoy your shower in a space that's both modern and practical.